Hey, do me a favor when you guys are working on your own trucks, don't cut the fan shroud. I know there's a spot that basically is designed for that, but nobody ever gets bolts in there right. It makes it flimsy, it falls out, it causes problems then. You need that fan shroud in there to help cool the engine and pull air through that radiator properly. So quit doing that. Do this instead. Pull your intake out. Pull that upper radiator hose loose. We're going to pull these mounts loose. Okay, move them out of the way for now. Get your wiring harness clips out of the way. Pull your wiring harness up. Get it out of the way. Okay? Now, grab one of your mounts again. Pull that radiator towards you. And what we're going to do is, there's two off-center bolt holes there. We're actually going to twist that to where that upper bolt hole matches with the lower threads. What that does is it holds the radiator to that core support and doesn't flop around. You don't have to tighten it hard, you just need it to hold it in place. Now we got the two 8mm holding the shroud to the radiator. Okay, now your shroud is loose. Now it can pop up something. Now watch out over here for the bleeder that goes from the radiator to the degas bottle. Make sure you work around it. Get it out. Slides right up and out. That easy, one piece, it's done.